Hello SOLIDWORKS community. SOLIDWORKS 2021 delivers the performance you demanded so you can get work done faster. We have focused on quality and robustness, so your tools are more reliable than ever, and of course, many new features you'll be excited to try. Every year, you face new challenges and rediscover that the old ways of working are just not good enough. Disconnected data, inefficient collaboration. We think there is a better way, connecting SOLIDWORKS desktop to the cloud. This is 3D Experience Works. You take what you already know and love with SOLIDWORKS and supercharge it with all of the Dassault best technology on the 3D Experience platform. Connect, collaborate, and tackle more challenges together. Sit back and take in everything new in SOLIDWORKS 2021 and 3D Experience Works. I can't wait to meet you on the platform.